If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. A nice bullish video for you guys today. Just zooming out a little bit, we've known that for the past month, it was super important to hold this boxed up area over here as support. This was our lowest body over here. And by losing that on this correction, we'd actually dip down and retrace all the way back down to this wick, which was smack back in line with the 200 EMA, and we consider this the bottom of our uptrend. So it could even correct to the wick, and there's no guarantee we would actually see continuation lower and a downtrend, because the wick is the support, and that's in line with the 200 EMA, and that is the support of the uptrend. So the bottom of the uptrend, you don't necessarily need to come down to it. That is why when we failed to close underneath this point, we're not getting that continuation. Okay, so by not losing that lowest body, we're not correcting down to the 200 EMA. So we saw within the same candle, we tried to, and then before that 4-hour close, it was back above, confirming this level as support. And that's why we've had this dotted key area over here that we know going forward must be maintained if we ever want to break out of this 6.8 cent high. Now, you've seen in the title, we're speaking of the reversal wave and that huge move is coming. We will get into that, but we just need to go through this. So if you haven't already, please do like, subscribe, comment and share so we can hit 7.5k before the end of this year. And if you want to get educated by myself, wait until the end of this video or use the links underneath to go head to my Twitter or website. Now, we're looking at these body candle close. Remember, this one's the most important one. We never got the close below. You can even say this, look, we never closed below that. And then, yeah, we lost this low, but we didn't see the closes below this or this. So that's why we got a higher low. And then as this was even low with the wick, we know losing this body sends us to the wick. But as the 200 EMA is there, it wouldn't have even corrected below that point. We didn't even manage to reach it. And that's considered the bottom of the uptrend. So if we're not getting even down to there, the bottom of the uptrend, we're just going to continue bullish anyway. So we never got the closes below that point. On this occasion as well, came very close to the 200 because as we continue to range, this of course drags up. And it's nice to see where it is right now. We've essentially got this 200 EMA above this low, this low, this low, and now this low. So it's just essentially protecting us. It's holding up this uptrend, guys. It's essentially saying even if we dump right now, if we are technically bullish, worst case, it would be down to here, which is higher than the last low. And that's the worst case for the bulls, not worst case, because worst case would be down to 0. But for the bulls, the worst, for the uptrend, worst case scenario is the 200 EMA, and that is already higher than the previous low. So we know that we're being protected within this uptrend. And in my last video, we were talking about how we met this technical target that I called at the tail end of last week. I think it was on the Friday, and we formed a bullish cross as well to allow us to reach this technical target. And we were going through like loads of golden pocket areas yesterday. I think we had 3 in total, where this was once one, that's why it's golden. We've also got this as our resistance where we rejected from, and then I told you that where we are right now, as of yesterday's update, it's exactly a new golden pocket. And I essentially I think I extended it during the video, but it got a bit too hectic having such a big area. So we know that that is where we need to catch support. And look at that bounce, everyone. Absolutely incredible. We've been predicting all of these moves perfectly, because we said in yesterday's update that as if we do confirm this as support, we are expecting the 786 fib, and that's exactly what we were given. Now I can say that the reversal wave has been created, as you've seen in the title, and all we now need to do is hold this level, maintain not only the golden pockets. I love the moving averages, because usually if I'm just going off what the fibs are suggesting, you can't lose the 0.5 Fibonacci. But I need to bring other things because I'm not just solely relying on the fibs. So we've got a wick just underneath. So I'd then say you need to lose this wick. You've also got the 55 down over here. So I'd say you need to lose the 55. But then you've also got the 200. So we know eventually we will just break this high. It is inevitable. It's just whether you want to dip down to the 0.5 or to the 55 or to the 200. Inevitably, as long as this holds the support, we are breaking out of this high. And I've already spoke about this in previous updates, how as long as we hold this as support, we're going to that 7.5 cent technical target, which we're very close to now. This move could actually come very fast. It's just the waiting process of the move coming, and then when the move comes, it's literally going to flash up in an instant. So as we've broken out of the golden pocket after this incredible bounce from one golden to the other golden pocket, we're now looking for it to hold as support with all the moving averages beneath us saying that this is bullish. wait until this 786 fib is broken as well, and we're looking for an eventual breakout to 7.6 cent, which would then, if I scale to the daily time frame, be taking us back up to this previous high, which I mentioned a good month or two ago. And I said that essentially along this way up, as we were climbing back above the 200 EMA over here, it was all the way back down at 5 cent, which I said, hold 5 cent and we will go to the golden pocket. And this is starting the journey all the way back up to this high, the 1 fib level. And now after we've been analyzing it daily, we know that this was the key area we need to break through. And then we were also analyzing the lower time frames, like the 4 hour. And then that's also given us some further confluence for why we should be achieving this previous price target, which is 7.5, 7.6 cent. We've also got more things in line now. So we've got a new golden pocket that if we break, the reversal wave is created, which we're seeing very early stages of today. We need to, of course, close above it all and hold it as support. That's why we need those moving averages to hold. And you've also got the daily 20 within that area as well. So we know that just hold this, and we are looking to eventually get up there. And we've also got further confidence with our 1618 technical target being up there for Hbar. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Help me get to 7.5k subs. And if you want to get educated so you can learn to do this by yourself and take these target things by yourself, predict things by yourself, use the links down below, or head straight to the website or to my Twitter for more information. Cheers, everyone. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls. Or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.